Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how I prepare this very delicious Jamaican oxtail and beans recipe. Right here I have 3.5 pounds of oxtail, right? That I already went off camera and clean up. First I'm gonna start by adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of steak seasoning, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, also 2 tablespoons of green seasoning. Now I'm gonna go ahead and massage my seasoning into my meat, right? And guys, this is smelling so delicious already and it's not even cooked as yet. Trust me. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave it to marinate for about half an hour to an hour before I start the cooking process. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be. And I'm just gonna toss my pot a bit just to level the oil in the bottom of the pot, right? Now I'm going in with 4 cloves of garlic, also 30 grams of ginger. And guys, wow, the fragrance of the ginger and the garlic, wow, this is unbelievable. Trust me, it smells so awesome. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my oxtail. Wow, immediately as I add the oxtail, the fragrance just popped up in your face. Trust me, it smells so delicious and it's not even cooked as yet, guys. Wow. So I'm just gonna allow my oxtail to brown, right, for about 5 minutes before I add any water to it. Yes guys, look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. Alright, so after finish browning for 5 minutes, I'm now gonna add some water, right? And as you can see right here, I'm rinsing out the remaining season out the dish and add everything to my pot, right? And guys, you just have to keep adding water to the pot until the meat is tender, because you don't want this meat to burn, right? Alright guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and check if my oxtail is cooked enough, right? So I can do the re-seasoning. Alright, so for my re-seasoning guys, I'm adding some onion, some scallion, some red and green bell pepper, some tomato, some scotch bonnet pepper, some garlic and some thyme. And I'm just gonna add everything to the pot at once, right? And guys, trust me, the kitchen is bursting with aroma right now. Just look how colorful and pretty this is. Wow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more water and allow my seasoning to cook about 5 minutes before I add my lima beans, right? Now you know it. Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe. Now I'm going in with 1 can of lima beans, right? This smells so good, guys. Tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Also gonna add 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. No, I don't think you're here to stay, no. I just wanna be with you. And guys, you notice I didn't add any salt while doing the prepping, right? So now is the time I'm gonna go ahead and taste to see how much salt it needs, right? So I'm just gonna add a little salt to taste. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I'm gonna go ahead and taste just to see if the salt is right. Yes, this is good. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna give it 2 more minutes, then I show you the finishing product. Alright guys, now here I have the finishing product right here. Oh look delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow. Nice. Alright guys, and you can pair this with anything you choose, right? But I'm gonna have mine some rice and peas and mac and cheese. Yum. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. Alright guys, if you haven't reached thus far in the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share and comment. And as you can see right here, I'm paired mine with some rice and peas and mac and cheese. Mazza up. Yum. Martin!
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want.